Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Audacity. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface with its recording and editing tools, you're ready to begin adding your background music track. Direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your audio projects. This is where you'll access all the import and export features that Audacity offers. Next, from the File menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Import option. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will expand to the right showing different import choices. From this submenu, select Audio. This option specifically allows you to bring in existing audio files from your computer into your current Audacity project, which is exactly what we need for adding background music. After selecting Audio, a file browser window will pop up on your screen. This window lets you navigate through your computer's folders and directories to locate the music file you want to use. Take your time to browse through your computer files and find the folder where you've saved your background music. You can navigate through different drives, folders, and locations until you spot the audio file you're looking for. Once you've located the right folder, click on the audio file you want to add as your background music. This selects the file and highlights it in the browser window, letting Audacity know which track you intend to import into your project. With your audio file selected, click the Open button at the bottom of the file browser window. This confirms your selection and initiates the import process. Audacity will now load the audio file into your project workspace. After clicking Open, Audacity will automatically place the music into your project as a new track. You'll see the waveform of your background music appear in the timeline, and you can now edit it, adjust its volume, or position it wherever you need it in your project. The imported track will be fully editable just like any other audio you record or add to Audacity, and that's it. You've successfully added background music to your Audacity project. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.